I welcome you and with a new video. Today I will make an aesthetic night painting. Now I will tell you the colors we need first. Forest green color and white color, we will mix it together and send it to the sky. Now let's make a line of forest green color in it for shades like this. Then below we will use a little light color. Will use forest green color, and below that we will use pink color in this same way. The first light will be placed in the sky. Also we will use orange and yellow color for the sky and add shades for the clouds. At the same time, we will make this line with purple color and give it a light shade. After that, we will use the green color and black color mixed together for the crown, in which we will give shades will white color in some place. We will also use the same green color on the sky. It will give a good dark shade in the same way. After that, we will use white color to make the moon exactly like this in the round shape. After that, we will make small stars with white color, more and less stars in the upper sky. After that, we will make the whole buildings with black color. Some building with black colors, some buildings in long or small. In this way, we will use black color in some places. We will also use red color in small in some places, and we will shade it with pink color in some places. And at the same time, we will use yellow color will do. So as all the buildings are built now, we will use white color for the light in these buildings, and white color will be used for dots somewhere like this. After that, we will have set it up a but and add shades where we think the color is lacking. So this painting is ready now. I hope you all liked it and understood. Now please give your opinion and subscribe my channel and also like this and share. Thank you.